valid passport ko.
And children. If you are for the 45% riding yes.
Dapat ikinuman.
Guys, we're trying mango na wala sa Pilipinas.
Uy, masarap man! Anghang!
Pag nadut-dut na, hindi na masyadong maasim.
Pero masarap!
Okay guys, hey, good morning. Ready ko lang for day 2. Nakapag-makeup na ako, nakapag-ayos, nakapag-toothbrush and everything. Ayan. I like my curls for today. By the way guys, hindi na ako masyado nakapag-vlog kasi medyo na-busy na kami. Yung flight namin kahapon was 7:30 AM in the morning. But then, siguro mga 4 AM na sa airport na kami and pare-parehas pa kami walang tulog. Ayun, medyo pagod. But today's day 2 and pupunta na rin ako sa breakfast area kasi dapat 6:30 yung breakfast namin and then 7 AM yung start ng tour namin. So, kailangan na namin magmadali. See you around today!
Para matatanggal na talingan ko sa ikang kadakol ko. Tangian ka na.
Hi guys, so we're here at the temple and we're trying their traditional costume. The earrings is earringsing.
Payman na ba?
Payman. Sawadika. Oh, uto-uto. Second stop for this tour is the Standing Buddha.
Are you ready, guys?
Grasshopper lang yata. Alam mo yung
Chichirya?
linis?
Oo.
Yung linis, Lasang dilis.
May ito siya.
Oo.
Parang ang taba niya.
Sige na. Oo.
Watermelon.
Parang dilis lang siya.
Oo.
Sige na, itry. Pag trinay mo, try. Hindi. Itry. Wikit pa. Na, inisahin na lang natin. 1, 2, 3.
Ba't mo linuwa? Sasabayan pa ni mami mo ng uod.
Hindi ko na maguya.
Ano, what can you say?
Wait.
9点半复诊。
O, di ba?
哦，9点。
Lasang seasoning na.
Oh.
Parang chicharon na.
Masarap?
Parang chicharon.
Wala, tagpusan loob ba yun?
Nagkakatil-natilnan ko. Shake mo para mamatay na. Yun nga, gumagana.
O, di ba? Para pala naman. Mamagang pa na kayo. Dami.
ลูกค้าท่านใดที่สนใจนะครับผลงานของน้องช้างนะครับศิลปะจากไฟของช้างสามารถติดต่อสอบถามได้เท่านั้นน้องช้างครับไป
Right for the wall, we use this butterfly dot. Okay, then the back. Okay, just wash your hands under here.
Hey guys! Good morning! So today's our last day here in Bangkok and free day lang namin today. So magsha-shopping lang kami all day, pampasalubong. And yeah, I'm here sa breakfast area. Good morning! It's around 8 a.m. So let's eat.
Ay, Jesus!
Guys, this is for the experience.
Diyos ko, for
150 baht. That's around 150 times 1.7.
tapos only 500 meters.
Yeah.
Pasalubong for the kiddos. Dahil kami ay ordinaryong tao lamang. Dito lang kami sa free.
Bango, ang bango.
Hi guys! We have 15 minutes left bago umalis ng hotel. Mag-unbox ako saglit na binili ko sa Pop Mart. This is the Hasi Pupu. Sana makuha ko yung Scorpio because my zodiac sign is Scorpio. Okay, let's unbox. Madalian lang. Ah! Dito siya! Oh, this is not the Scorpio. Wait, sino siya? Aquarius! Ano kami? Pisces. Oh, it's Aquarius. But it's okay. Cute naman siya. Mukha siya nung labubo na nakuha ko. I mean, ka-color. It's 12 midnight and nandito na kami sa airport while waiting for my mom kasi nasa tax refund information sila. I'm gonna taste this mochi that I got sa Icon Sayang kanina. I wasn't able to eat it there kasi medyo nagmamadali na kami. So yeah, I have my snack here. The matcha is okay lang, but the strawberry is sweet.
Ang strawberry nandito.
Tamis.
Bakit man?
Busog na ako.